better walk, a better stop, and a better ride on the metro system. We can all agree that transit's value in promoting transportation equity is undeniable. Access is everything. And in order for us to have an equitable transportation system, we need to be investing in an accessible transportation system.
This is a momentous occasion. You know, for me, when I look at an accessible bus stop, I don't see the curb ramp, I don't see the stop, I don't see the pad. I see opportunity. I see the chance to go somewhere, to go and get an education, to go to work, to go to church, to go get friends, to engage in recreation.
We're very proud of this accomplishment, but there's more to come. We understand clearly that COVID-19 has shown us that access to dependable, affordable public transportation is more important than ever before.